Well, greetings subscribers, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and this is my 2015 C7 Corvette. It's a Z51 6-speed manual. I've got an Edelbrock supercharger on it, and it just turned 80,000 miles. And yeah, for my birthday, guess what I got? I'm now getting the AFM lifter failure. It sounds like it's on driver's side bank 7, which I believe that's where 7 is. So it's coming and going. I'm mainly hearing it when the engine is cold, like first startup. And if I drive it, I mean, it's kind of ticking on and off. And then if I drive it, it kind of goes away. But so far, haven't had any check engine lights, nothing, you know, on the display, but so I'll give you an example of what that sounds like. Once the choke comes down a little bit, I don't know, I call it a choke, but once that drops down to regular idle, you'll be able to hear it. I mean, the supercharger was noisy enough as it is, but oh yeah, you can hear it. Now I know there's a giant lawsuit against GM, and we'll see what they do. I mean, right now there's a TSB out for it. I'll post that online, and you can get an idea of, you know, what work is required, but that doesn't mean it's covered under warranty. And especially at 80,000 miles, I'm out of warranty. So, I mean, if they do get some kind of class action lawsuit against them, the best that they'll probably do is maybe reimburse you a portion of the cost for getting it fixed. So, yep, there you go. You should be able to hear that. Yeah, actually, it sounds like it's coming from up front, not in the back. Anyway, yeah, I'm headed down to Insane Power to go check the 440, see how the engine build is going. So probably going to have them take a look at it, see what they recommend. Anyway, I'll keep you updated.